Hey, Kevin, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. Thanks for reaching out. So I did read your message here, your email. You were saying that you have an issue. So basically, all right, so let's go over to your funnel here real quick. That was your SMTP page right there. So I'm just going to go here. You said you went to your automation, add an email. Let's see where it goes. Okay, all right. So this is what you're saying. It's because your SMTP is not set up. Okay, and that link it causes this error because our platform, we want you to go set up your integration in the back end. Okay, so let's go ahead and go do that. All right, so account settings. Then you're going to go back here. All right. Okay, so you're going to choose one of these. So if you were just going to have your emails just automatically, so when someone signs up and they're going to get kicked out an email, a thank you email or something like that, right? So as you can see here, order confirmation and email receipts, that's this here, right? So you'll click this and go through that process. Now, if you're going to be marketing, right? So if you want to use your SMTP for follow-up emails, like further to bring them back into the funnel later on, like once they opt in and they get an email, and then later on you want to set up some sort of follow-up email on a drip sequence, throughout maybe a couple weeks or a month. This is the version that you're going to set up, okay? So you'll go ahead and click here, and we typically recommend send to grid, okay? And I will send you a tutorial on that right now, all right, along with this video. All right, so go ahead and start from this process and just go ahead and make your selection depending on what you want to do. All right, and let me know what you want to do from here if you need any further assistance, okay? All right, thanks.